Welcome to a comprehensive guide to home electrical safety. Hidden wires hold hidden dangers, and understanding electrical risks is the first step to a safer home. Electrical faults are a major cause of tragedies. In 2025, faults started 15% of home fires. The good news is that we can take steps to prevent these devastating fires. Pay attention to sensory warning signs that demand action. You might smell melting plastic or ozone, hear buzzing or sizzling, see brown soot on wall plates, or feel mild shocks from ground faults. Overloaded circuits can melt wires. Many high-wattage devices overwhelm circuits. To fix this, follow the one-plug rule and move heavy appliances to different rooms. Loose connections create arc fires. Loose wires create electrical resistance, which generates intense heat. Fix this by twisting wires tightly and putting all splices inside UL-listed junction boxes. Using large breakers with thin wires can cause wires to melt. Oversized breakers ignore overheating wires. Always match wire gauge to breaker size. For example, 15-amp breakers require 14-gauge wire. Ungrounded systems can shock people, especially when water meets unprotected electricity. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, stop power in a fraction of a second. Install them in wet rooms and test them monthly. GFCI and AFCI devices perform different jobs. GFCIs prevent electrocution by detecting leaking current in wet areas. AFCIs prevent house fires by detecting dangerous sparking and are installed in living areas. Always follow the DIY safety protocol. Cut power by flipping the main panel breaker. Verify with a non-contact voltage tester. Check your environment by wearing rubber-soled shoes and use tools with insulated rubber handles. 3 elements secure the home: awareness to detect warning signs, infrastructure to fix underlying mistakes, and protection through modern safety devices. These elements together create a safe home. Electricity is not a hobby. Old homes need professional electrical audits. Experts use thermal imaging cameras to find dangerous hotspots within the walls, uncovering hidden threats that you might miss.